so big. Oh no, we should call a medic. I'm sorry. Wait. Okay. I know first aid.
May I have the consent to touch your wound?
Yes.
Okay, let's check it. Oh no, it seems pretty bad. I think we should wash it.
Ouch.
We should cover this one. Now let's apply the bandage.